Greetings from Phoenix, Arizona. That is where I am, correct?
Yep, that's where you are.
I have been having such a great time. This shadow is really intense. Here we go. I've been having such a great time hanging out with Alex from BF Vintage.
Aww.
The picking in the state of Arizona is top 2 for sure. I'm so excited because when Alex told me we could go to the Brass Armadillo after dinner, I was like, dude, what time does this place even close? She was like 9 p.m. I was like, that's it. I can't come home. 9 p.m. This is my dream.
Oh,
Not to mention,
so fun.
a secret fangirl.
Oh,
Secret's out now. Secret's out now.
No.
All right, let's go in and see what we can find. Hopefully it's nothing big because my car is really, really full. All right, well, I have been shopping for like days straight, so my taste is getting kind of out there, but I'm kind of into that weird little frame with that baby in the bed and all the babies like looking out.
Cute.
Right? It's kind of weird. It's kind of morbid in a strange way. All right, let me.
Yeah, actually, now that you mention it.
It's kind of depressing. Yes, we are having fun. Look at the poodle sweater clip. Love that. I feel like there's something crawling on me.
Oh, it just fell, whatever it was.
Ick. Okay. It's glad to know I'm not crazy though.
No, roaches too.
Yeah. All right.
For some reason, I'm into this little
Look at that lucite.
face right here.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Isn't
Alex,
that adorable?
this is so meta right now. I'm filming, Alex filming. That is adorable,
Right?
dude.
It's so cute. I love it. And it has a little fruit on its head. I want to know how much it is because I can't see the price.
Oh my gosh.
Cute.
I'm also really into this situation, the little nodder and the celluloid baby with the...
Open this.
You're gonna have them open this?
Yes.
Dude, I love shopping with you. Oh my god, there's a button?
Yeah.
Dude, this is the most convenient antique mall ever. So I actually did go ahead and scoop up that little celluloid cupie with the luggage bag and the top hat and its original string. It was a little spendy at $10, but it's one of those things that I would honestly keep for myself, so I don't feel that bad about it. It's really hard to find those not beaten in. And Alex had looked at this, which is incredible, but it was a little high. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry I stopped listening, Alex. You will learn that I lose attention very easily when things like that are happening. But unfortunately at $22.50, that's about what I would get for that guy after fees. But I've never seen one in a sailor's outfit, so I'm not mad at it. It's so cute, and I really like these wood salt and pepper shakers. I don't see anything else. Do I see anything else? No.
These guys.
Oh my gosh, the wrap thing. That's amazing. I'm also looking at this non-creamer. Looks a little pricey compared to the other prices in the booth. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Now I have to remember here that the case numbers sometimes look like price tags, which I learned from my short stint here one time. So I do realize that I have to pay attention to what the tag actually says. I really like that paperweight at 10, the one with the yellow rose. Alien. Well, Alex was checking out this incredible wind-up bowl. And meanwhile, I was silently ducking to see what the prices of these little chalkware soldiers and sailors are. And I do believe that says $9.99 each, and they're flocked. You get dibs, just so you know, on anything.
No. You saw them, they're yours, girl.
And I'm kind of curious what the price on this spangle situation is.
Oh.
Speaking of brooches, check out that weird dog thing. That one's at $6. It looks contemporary, but still maybe 80s. I did look at those Bakelite bracelets over here. They were priced super cheap. If I were to keep them at $29.99, especially for that chunky one. The chunky one was $30, and it's definitely straight Bakelite, but I have my Bakelite bracelets so far in that color, and I can't resell at that price. And oh my gosh, there's a pink elephant on top of that decanter.
Yes, I know.
Although it's just a bottle, it's not even a decanter. It's amazing though.
So cute.
I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so also really into the bird Bakelite napkin rings at $150. Just kidding. I also love that rhinestone clamper bracelet. It looks like a Weiss, and I can't see the price tag on it. Love the hand-painted ladybug too. This is really interesting. This kind of, I don't know, assemblage brooch. Even though it's probably newer than I like. Nope. So I have grabbed a few things. A religious item, as well as this really cool pair of mid-century pink drip glaze candle holders, USA Pottery. Now, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with this little face brooch. It says $8, but I'm trying to figure out if it's cracked. I love the pick holder with the geometric luster dog, but I also really like whatever that weird thing is that I can't even see. And the pixies are at 55. Okay, just kidding.
Oh, those are the pixies.
Yeah.
I always see those, and
They're
I
so
always want
cute.
them.
Let's see. A lot of neat stuff in these cases.
There's this really
Okay, but also look at these starfish. Those are cool. $10 each now. That's I don't know enough about that. It's definitely, oh my gosh. Do you see what I see, Alex? Gum cat.
That's so cute.
It's at $12. I don't want to pay $12 for it, but someone's gonna scream at me if I don't. Look at the little sugar monkey.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute. How much is he?
I don't know. I can't see.
Okay, we're pushing the button again.
I can't. I'm gonna have to edit this out if I don't buy this gum cat.
Really?
Yeah, it's it's like a huge thing.
I saw one somewhere.
Okay, I know I'm gonna get canceled for saying this, but I really don't want to pay $12 up front for it. It's kind of a gamble at that price.
What it is for the holiday.
What does that say? Can you come here next? This beaded flowers. I can't tell what
that's
that
cool.
price says, but I have a feeling it's.
I see one that says 3 and one that says 5.
Yeah, and I can't tell if that's for the ornaments or if this is for the flowers. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot of numbers. And we're going to have to find out. So they did, in fact, say exactly what I thought they did. That beaded hyacinth bouquet was at $5. So you know I grabbed that. A lot of interesting stuff in this case, too. I feel like we're never going to get into the booth section. Look, this little rubber squeak dog is $4.50.
Oh my gosh, he's
That's so cute. Wait, what is this? What is that? Oh, dang it. It's got liquid in it. That perfume bottle, I really, really want it. But I don't take anything that has liquid or scent no matter what. 40 on the bisque.
I showed some ladies little miniatures of perfume.
Oh my gosh. Look at you. 95. I'm not mad at it though. That's a fantastic one.
Yeah, she's amazing. Those yellow roses.
Yeah, she's gorgeous. I said cat, but I meant head vase because alas, I am hyper focused on this black cat brooch at $5. Yep, and I'm also hyper focused on the pink haired lady. Look at that. I'm turning my camera. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Look at the hitchhiking mouse. This is so fun. Where's this button at? Also, I'm kind of obsessed with that micro mosaic race. Oh, it's not actually. It's like almost. It's like a kind of remake of some sort.
I see that because of the
Yeah, it
way
had
that
me for a
the
second.
gold is applied.
Exactly. Oh my gosh, and look at the hat. My Fair Lady brooch with the little rhinestones in it. Oh, so I was commenting that they're gonna hate me because I keep pressing the button here, and Alex is like, "They're not gonna hate you," and now she's like, "Actually, let's press the button again." She's worried about the same thing. I also realized that I left the palm tree, which was kind of silly. I know I should have grabbed that too, but I'm kind of I'm kind of shopped out. I didn't see it on my first one, but also there's the little duck with the umbrella. Okay, it says as is, good. And there's all kinds of stuff in here I missed. Now, I did pick up the little hat pin with the rhinestones, and I did pick up the cats and the pink-haired lady and a couple other things in a smiley face with rhinestone eyes that was super unique. I feel good about it. I'm just gonna leave it as is. We haven't even gotten into the booth section yet. We haven't even finished the cases. There's a lot of stuff in here I like. It's all definitely priced at retail, but check out this giant Italian head, as well as, what was it I was even looking at? Oh yeah, the silhouette nymph with the little fairy pixie thingamajiggers. That's interesting. Yeah, a lot of neat stuff in this case. And of course, that purple vase is gorgeous. I just realized I'm zoomed in like all the way. I know.
Deer
The
is
Fenton
so
deer.
good.
I never see Fenton deer. You are not wrong, Alex. A lot of this stuff is definitely priced at retail, although I am really into the beaded flower bouquet at $10, $9.99 technically. But it's still a little close. Like you said, there's some incredible treasures in this chest. Like literally everything.
Love the little angels back there.
Oh my gosh, those are fantastic. And look at that little handmade beaded flower brooch. That's really pretty. That's at 25. I also love the little perfume box or pill box with the the pink rhinestones. And the micro mosaic. Man, there's all kinds of neat stuff.
Yeah. Oh,
Look at that compact black cat.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, that's cute. I have like a bunch of those in what's its face?
The donkey too.
The donkey.
The jeweled donkey.
That's a good. I like the dog with the big
Yeah.
red nose. That's
Yeah.
so funny.
He's adorable.
It's really fun shopping with other people because we'll inevitably just be looking at something and it will be right next to whatever the other person is looking at. I was looking at that rhinestone compact, but that's at 30.
That's pretty.
And I keep forgetting I'm zoomed in. I'm sorry. Anybody watching this is like, your energy gets periodically more and more chaotic the longer you've been away from home. The camera skills are going down the drain, slowly but surely. What is that? Oh, that's for the cuff, $6. I was gonna say, I'm not sure what that is though. That little girl figurine looks like she's missing something. Oh my gosh, look at these. Don't ask me, I won't dance. What are those weird salt and pepper shakers? Just as I suspected, they are Fitz and Floyd and they're really neat, but I don't. Yeah, 1980s Fitz and Floyd, but I can't see the price. I'm kind of cased out too.
I'm obsessed with that sunflower.
Well, Alex is checking out the most amazing pair of wall pockets I'm going to show you in a second, but I'm also looking at this beautiful rhinestone thingamajigger at 18. Yeah, check out what Alex spotted. I didn't even see him. I'm embarrassed to admit. Those flower pottery wall pockets, those are amazing.
So cute.
Oh my gosh, look at that cookie jar. I went rogue. I saw Holt Howard, but those are at 35. This Relpo girl is only at 15, which is a really good price. Someone might not get mad at me for leaving that. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is at 20. That's a little close. I've never seen that one before with the cats. That's fantastic. I think I could still make a couple bucks off of it, just not enough to justify. Oh my gosh, look at the elephant cup thing.